If you ever put Christmas decorations or any type of decorations during the holidays up on your lawn, and then you come to realize at the end of the season when removing those decorations, you have dead spots. It's all dead again, honey. It's all gone. Everything's dead. It's dead. I give up. Or if you dread the idea of putting Christmas or holiday decorations in your lawn because you know you have to mow sometime during that time frame, and that means removing everything, mowing, and then putting everything back, I have a couple of tips and tricks to share with you so you can put these decorations up, enjoy your holiday season, and not have to worry about putting any type of effort back into that lawn, and just enjoy your time. Alright, so fair warning, this video idea topic came after my Instagram post of me trying to show off my Christmas decorations. I got a lot of mixed responses from, oh my god, it's so beautiful. How are you gonna mow? How are you gonna keep the grass alive? So this video idea came from that. I feel I gotta get out there and tell you guys my tips and my tricks, how I keep my lawn alive and not have to worry about my lawn during this time of the season. So the first step to all of this is obviously the preparation. Oh my God. In the preparation, I did one final mow that will last me for the next month. And pretty much what I did is I mowed my entire grass at 3.5 inches. I'm usually mowing my lawn at 4 1/4, but for this one, I went ahead and I did 3.5. I did all my edge work, I did my trimming, blow, clean up, and I was ready for the next steps. And in my next steps, I went ahead and I put down my applications. My applications consist of 3 applications that I utilize. The first one is a fertilizer. I went ahead and I used 600 Lawn Energizer from Simple Lawn Solutions. The manganese, the magnesium, the iron, and the 6% nitrogen all plays a role on keeping my lawn nice and green for the remainder of December. With that being said, I also utilized RGS from Yard Mastery Next Counting Fertilizer. The 001 1% potassium helps my grass stay nice and stress-free during times that I'm leaving my inflatables in one area. But stay tuned, we're not leaving these in one area. That's going to be future tips that I'm going to give you in this video. So far, those 2 applications play a role on keeping my lawn green and keeping my lawn nice and stress-free. The next application that I went ahead and I utilized is some Primo Max, a PGR, plant growth regulator. Now, pretty much what that does is it keeps my lawn from growing vertically. It doesn't stunt my lawn whatsoever. It doesn't cause any turf damage to my lawn, but that's going to help me in not having to mow for the next month. It slows the cellular regeneration of the plant's vertical growth to grow up, where you have to mow the lawn and cut it back down, and it'll utilize that energy for everything else. Hence, it may develop stronger root systems since now it needs to put that energy to something else. My grass is St. Augustine grass, so it's going to utilize that energy also to spread across my lawn. The vertical growth is not going to be there because of 6% nitrogen that I used, since I used PGR. But everything else is going to play a big factor on keeping my lawn green, healthy, and stress-free when I have all these inflatables up on my lawn. Give me a break. Now, obviously the next step is putting your inflatables. Now, I have inflatables in all parts of my lawn, but I have them in locations where I do not have a sprinkler head popping up from the ground. So wherever there's a sprinkler head, do not put an inflatable there. Put them at least a couple of feet around the sprinkler head so that when your sprinklers do turn on, they have adequate water going across the yard. Now, of course, we have inflatables up, so not everything is going to get properly watered, but I'll give you guys a future step on how to maintain that part. safety I need to mention is a cord protector, a data protector, circuit protector, whatever you guys want to call this. Pretty much in here is my electrical cords. Obviously, since we're utilizing water still, and we know water and electricity don't mix, this protects the electrical cords that are connected from water or weather damage or whatever you want to call it. They simply snap, and there is protection from those elements. There's no way a lot of water is going to get in here. Okay, so I feel that's a safety issue I need to mention. If you're going to still run your sprinklers, I suggest you get these guys. Alright guys, so the next tip that I could give you guys to keep your grass alive during this time of the year with decorations is moving your inflatables from their current location. Now it goes backwards. Now, I'm not talking about grabbing this guy and moving him all the way over there and moving it around like that. No, 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 no. That defeats the purpose of taking it easy. Dang, man. All right, so let's use this guy as an example. What I'm talking about is not actually grabbing the inflatable and moving it to another location in the lawn. All you gotta do is grab him, pick him up, and move him maybe 2 feet that way. Okay? 2 feet, let's say east, north, south, east, west, right? Pick him up, grab him 2 feet this way. That's it. Pick him up and grab him and move him 2 feet this way. All right? That's all you have to do, folks. You don't have to go crazy. You do not have to pick up the entire inflatable and move it to an entirely new part of the lawn. That's all you have to do. And while you're at it, while you're picking them up and moving them to a spot, just water this spot. Grab a garden hose, water it for 10 seconds, and you're good. And the last tip that I'm going to give you guys is just enjoy the season, folks. Your kids are only going to be with you for so long before they grow up and move on with their lives. If they love these Christmas decorations, just put them up. Don't worry about the grass. Enjoy that time with family and friends, and worry about the lawn next spring. So with that being said, let's say I do decide to just leave everything where it is. If it dies, it dies. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If your grass type comes in sod pods, that's your next tip. Guys, just put the Christmas decoration up, enjoy it, and then just plug up when it's all said and done. If your turf type is available in that, guys, in a matter of weeks, you'll have a lawn like if nothing ever happened. Rake up the dead stuff, plug it up, and keep proper maintenance on it, and it's like nothing ever happened. All right, so don't stress out about the lawn. Enjoy this time with your family and friends, and just put the decorations up. It's not going to hurt. I know we all want a beautiful lawn, but you know what? We can make up for it in spring. It's that simple. With that being said, guys, this is all the tips that I could share with you. I hope that this was informative for you guys. Enjoy the rest of your season, but I will still be around, so that means that I'll see you in the next video. Peace.